Alright guys, welcome to Tech Nostalgia. In this video we have iPad A16. It is 128 GB and it's only Wi-Fi version. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. I love the sound of this. Alright. That is nice. One thing I really loved is I like the smell of the new fresh tech products. That's weird. I know you want me to get into this without wasting any time, so this looks very nice. So they changed the orientation of the camera from the portrait to landscape, and in this one there's a power button on top, and the power button has a fingerprint sensor. That's a nice thing. It has speaker grills on both sides. That's something nice if I'm holding it and watching a movie. Alright, at the bottom it has pogo pins for the keyboard if you have like any accessory that you want to mount it on and use it as a laptop. Alright, so I turned it on and oh, look at the glass text. Okay, so before we get into this, let's see what's in the box. So it has some paperwork. Oh, it comes with a charger and a charging brick. I'm excited for this stuff. I miss those days when Apple used to have this in every box and maybe a toggle station. What a waste of space under it. Have you seen those videos where people have fake covers and stuff in the back? Do they still have stickers? No. They just tell you how to use the iPad. This thing on. Let's go English. Let's go Canada. Default, medium. I just want default. Set up without another device. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you want a full review video, wait for the next video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. Alright, thank you so much.